about to fall back.
Good look. I see your face. Look at the wings coming out and little hands.
They're not hands.
I'm gonna get him from this way. What? Look at him, he's shivering, he's cold. He's almost out. Looks like there's little feet.
I'm gonna put my hand under here. I don't want him to fall on the ground.
Where is he? There he is.
He's completely...
Yeah.
Oh. Try moving your butt, that might work. He's moving his legs, Mom.
I see. You're gonna fall
into my hand.
You're almost out, fella.
They have really small wings.
Can't even see his top side, just his bottom side now. He's just trying to flap his little wings. Looks like he's almost out.
He's almost out.
That's the bottom side.
He's probably like, this is a difficult part.
It's probably like, what?
It's like, this is the difficult part.
Yeah, because you're hanging upside down.
It's not upside down. Well, almost. I wonder if he keeps going down, then and his butt comes up. I guess we'll see. His bottom leg's almost out. Sorry. I see a hind end.
I see the belly.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
Trying to.
Oh, you're taking forever.
Trying to look right into it.
The police went by again. I don't know if it was the same one or not.
You're almost there, buddy.
So we're watching the cicada come out. It's really interesting.
We're filming nature.
He's looking like, a little help, please.
No help for you. Gotta let Mother Nature run its course.
But it's only a tiny bit. Hey, look at his legs.
I know.
His legs are out.
I know, so what's holding him up?
His bum.
His bum?
I like big butts on can I lie.
Uh-oh, I hear one.
That's a bird.
Oh. Maybe it's a bird eating a cicada. Just gotta get your bum up there, buddy. I don't see your face.
I see his face.
Huh?
I see his face.
No, I said I don't want to see your face.
Oh.
I was gonna say that'd be funny. You're down below looking up and he falls on your nose.
You're shaking up top. Shake your butt a little bit. Talk.
He's got to stretch his legs out more and everything. Oh, look at his little legs moving.
I see him. Why don't you try pushing your skeleton with your legs? His little wings are curled.
I know.
That looks like it hurts.